Hello everyone! We recently got some requests about coating different plastics. So we have PET plastics and it's white, so and quite thin, probably 0.1 millimeter, maybe 0.2, so very thin. And the nuance that it's white and most of light from our laser, which is 445 nanometers, will reflect. But let's see if this 10-watt laser can really cut it. Power on. And let's start cutting process. So we're going to cut a small round. The speed we're using is 1000 millimeters per minute, and we'll do 5 repeats. Very bright. Now that if you can see anything. Okay, so we see that it did not really cut anything. So we probably need to change parameters. We have just a slight alert. Let's do it once again. Let's put the speed of 500 millimeters per minute. Do not forget to wear goggles all the time you operate the laser. Okay, looks good. Yeah, I can see that it was already cut. Let's see. Yeah, it was done. So 5 repeats and G2 lens, 10-watt laser, and you can cut white PET plastics. So what if you want to cut such piece? So this is silver but semi-transparent. So the problem is that let me show you that the light will go through it. So the laser is actually going through these plastics, and that's why I prefer to add some masking tape. So with masking tape it'll work. Without it, unfortunately, the laser just goes through and nothing happens. So this is our masking tape. Let me get some. Okay. Also keep in mind that you have to be in focus, otherwise this thing will not work. We use G2 short focal lens for this exercise, and the speed will be, let's make 100 millimeters per minute and only 1 repeat. Goggles. You can also use an air assist for that, just if you want to have better results. So you see that was a little bit burned over here, but it was burning over masking tape because it has some glue. And in fact that the original plastics, it's quite clean. So yeah, that's our life hack. So you can cut silver semi-transparent plastics, but you need masking tape, and you can quite easily cut white PET plastics with our 10-watt laser. So hope that you like this video. just at least a little bit. If you have any questions, let me know. We use 10-watt Pro laser. Email me gf@endurancerobots.com or +7 916 225 and visit our website endurancelasers.com and our online store endurance-lasers.com.